Do you want to know the secrets of self-made millionaires? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're breaking down the top 10 habits that have catapulted regular folks to extraordinary wealth. These routines don't belong solely to the elite or the specially gifted. They're open to anyone eager to adopt them. So, are you set to delve into the millionaire mindset? Keep watching to unearth the habits that have the power to transform your life. The first habit of self-made millionaires is their relentless thirst for learning. This isn't about attaining degrees or stacking up diplomas, it's about a constant pursuit of knowledge, a never-ending journey of learning and growth. They read, they listen, they observe. They're curious and open-minded, always seeking to understand more about the world, about business, about people. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett is an avid reader. He spends around 5 to 6 hours each day reading newspapers, annual reports, and books. And then there's Elon Musk, who taught himself rocket science by reading textbooks. You see, these successful people understand that the more they learn, the more they grow. They know that every piece of knowledge is another tool in their toolbox, another weapon in their arsenal. So, get in the habit of learning. Read a book, listen to a podcast, take up a new hobby. Because remember, knowledge is power. The second habit is goal setting. Millionaires don't just dream, they set clear and achievable goals. This habit is the cornerstone of their success. You see, goals are not mere wishes, they are the lighthouses that guide the millionaire's journey towards financial freedom. They provide clarity, focus, and a sense of direction. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. How efficient would that be? Not very, right? That's exactly what life becomes without goals. You might wander aimlessly, unsure of where you're heading. Now, these goals can be financial, personal, or both. Financial goals could involve saving a certain amount, investing wisely, or building multiple streams of income. Personal goals, on the other hand, could revolve around self-improvement, gaining new skills, or maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire starts with setting clear and achievable goals. Without a clear goal, you're simply wandering aimlessly. The third habit is risk-taking. Millionaires aren't afraid to take calculated risks. Now, this isn't about gambling your savings on a hunch. No, it's about making well-informed decisions that may seem risky to the untrained eye. It's about understanding the landscape, reading the signs, and then stepping into the unknown. See, in business and investment, playing it safe rarely leads to significant growth. The most successful individuals often attribute their wealth to a few key decisions that involved a certain level of risk. Think about it. Every new venture, every innovative idea, every step towards progress involves some degree of risk. But here's the thing. The risks they take are calculated, not reckless. They're based on research, experience, and sometimes a little bit of instinct. These self-made millionaires understand that to win big, they need to bet big. They embrace risk as a necessary part of the journey towards success. So remember, no risk, no reward. The fourth habit is networking. Millionaires understand the value of connections. You see, when it comes to scaling the heights of success, you don't do it alone. You climb on a ladder woven from many relationships. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards at a conference. It's about nurturing meaningful relationships that can help you grow and learn. When you build a robust network, you're essentially creating a powerhouse of collective knowledge and resources. It's about tapping into the strengths and skills of others to complement your own. Networking opens doors to opportunities you might never have encountered otherwise. It can lead to partnerships, mentorships, and even friendships that enrich your personal and professional life. Remember, it's not just about who you know, but who knows you. The more people are aware of your skills and ambitions, the more likely they are to think of you when opportunities arise. So invest in relationships. Your network is your net worth. The fifth habit is financial discipline. Millionaires know how to manage their money efficiently. This doesn't mean they're penny-pinching misers. Rather, they understand the value of money and the power of its proper management. They recognize the importance of budgeting, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose and a place. Moreover, they are diligent about saving. They don't save what's left after spending, but rather they spend what's left after saving. This is a fundamental shift in mindset that can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. Additionally, they are savvy investors. They know that money can work for them even when they're not actively earning it. They invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other forms of passive income to grow their wealth continuously. So remember, financial discipline isn't about denying yourself everything you want. It's about making smart decisions that allow your money to grow, because in the end, money saved is money earned. The sixth habit is persistence. Millionaires don't give up easily. They understand that success isn't a straight path, but a winding journey filled with detours, potholes, and roadblocks. When faced with challenges, they don't throw in the towel. They double down, dig in their heels, and keep going. Persistence is about resilience. It's about taking the hits, dusting yourself off, and moving forward. It's about understanding that failure isn't a permanent state, but a temporary setback on the road to success. Persistence is the secret weapon that turns dreams into reality. It's the fuel that drives millionaires to keep pushing, to keep striving, to keep reaching for their goals, no matter how high or far they seem. It's the grit that turns the impossible into the possible, the improbable into the inevitable. And above all, persistence is the assurance that success is not a matter of if, but when. Persistence guarantees that results are inevitable. The seventh habit is optimism. Millionaires maintain a positive outlook. This isn't just about seeing the glass half full. It's about envisioning the glass overflowing, even when it's nearly empty. When the tides of life are high and the storm is raging, optimism is the anchor that keeps the ship steady. It's the fuel that powers the engine of perseverance, enabling one to trudge through the muddiest terrains of adversity. Why is optimism so pivotal? Because it's the lens through which self-made millionaires view their challenges. They see not just obstacles, but opportunities. The eighth habit is health consciousness. Millionaires understand that health is wealth. It's a simple truth that can't be overstated. You can't enjoy your wealth if you're not in good health. Now, we're not just talking about physical health here, but mental health as well. It's a holistic approach. Physical health is key to maintaining the energy and vitality necessary to drive your ambitions. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are all essential. They keep your body in peak condition, ready to take on the challenges of each new day. Mental health, on the other hand, ensures you have the resilience, the focus, and the clarity of mind needed to make sound decisions. Techniques for maintaining mental health might include mindfulness practices, meditation, or simply taking time out for relaxation and recreation. Being health conscious is not an option, it's a necessity. It directly influences your productivity and longevity. Remember, your body is your most prized possession. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. The ninth habit is giving back. Millionaires understand the importance of generosity. It's a trait that transcends mere financial success, reaching into the realm of personal fulfillment and happiness. True wealth isn't just about accumulating riches, it also involves making a positive impact. Self-made millionaires often become philanthropists, using their resources to give back to their communities, support causes they believe in, and help those less fortunate. This isn't just about tax breaks or public image, it's about a deep-seated desire to make a difference, a recognition that success isn't just personal, but also communal. Giving back can provide a sense of fulfillment that surpasses material wealth. It's about creating a legacy that goes beyond the bank balance. It's about understanding that the true value of wealth lies not just in its accumulation, but also in its distribution. Generosity is the most natural outward expression of an inner attitude of compassion. Remember, wealth isn't just about what you earn, but also about what you give. The 10th and final habit is embracing change. Millionaires are adaptable and flexible. They understand that in order to stay ahead of the game, they need to be open to new ideas, new ways of thinking, and new opportunities. Change is often intimidating, and it's natural to feel comfortable with the familiar. But remember, the familiar is also the place where growth stagnates. Adaptability is a hallmark of the successful. It means being willing to challenge your own assumptions, to question the status quo, and to take risks in pursuit of something better. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about seeing change not as a threat, but as an opportunity. Embracing change also involves learning from your mistakes and failures. These are not setbacks, but stepping stones towards your goal. They are opportunities to learn, grow, and adapt. So welcome change, embrace it, and use it to your advantage. Change is the only constant in life. So, those are the 10 habits of self-made millionaires. From embracing learning, setting goals, and taking risks, to networking, practicing financial discipline, persisting, and staying optimistic. Let's not forget the importance of being health-conscious, giving back, and embracing change. These habits are more than just checklists. They are the foundational stepping stones to success. Adopt these habits, and you might just find yourself on the path to becoming a self-made millionaire.